किसी भी एग्जाम की तैयारी बिना प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स की होती है अधूरी, क्योंकि यहाँ से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चंस या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपरों में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100% करने के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स करना हो जाता है बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर और स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर आप कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी तैयारी हो सके 100%। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं बीए पार्ट थर्ड एनुअल स्पेशल का पेपर, हिस्ट्री का पेपर 2, पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया 1740 टू 1964 एडी। ये पेपर हुआ है जनवरी 2025 में। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहती है, तो इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करना ना भूलें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन वाज द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एस्टेब्लिश्ड? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 31 December 1600 AD। Question number 2, Captain Hawkins came to the court of which Mughal emperor in India? Answer is option number D, Jahangir. Question number 3, who was the emperor of India when the East India Company formed in Britain? Answer is option number C, Akbar. Question number 4, which company first established its factory in Surat? Answer is option number A, British East India Company. Question number 5, Sir Thomas Roe came to the court of which emperor in India? Answer is option number B, Jahangir. Question number 6, who was the founder of the French East India Company? Answer is option number B, Colbert. Question number 7, when did the first Carnatic War take place? Answer is option number A, 1746 to 1748 AD. Question number 8, after which treaty the first Carnatic War ended? Answer is option number A, Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Question number 9, in which year Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was elected the President of Indian National Congress? Answer is option number C, 1929. Question number 10, who founded the Krishna Mission? Answer is option number A, Swami Vivekanand. Question number 11, who was Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Answer is option number A, social reformer. Question number 12, who founded Atmiya Sabha? Answer is option number A, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 13, Sir Charles Wood Dispatch was related? Answer is option number C, education reforms. Question number 14, who drafted the Vardha Shiksha Plan? Answer is option number A, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Question number 15, who was defeated by the British in Battle of Buxar? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 16, who among the following is the commander of English army in the Battle of Buxar? Answer is option number A, Hector Munro. Question number 17, when was the treaty of Allahabad? Answer is option number D, 1765 AD. Question number 18, who implemented the diarchy system in Bengal? Answer is option number B, Clive. Question number 19, with the arrival of Clive in India for the second time, our political flourishing started in this country. Whose statement is this? Answer is option number A, K.M. Panikkar. Question number 20, which war was ended by treaty of Salbai? Answer is option number A, First Anglo-Maratha War. Question number 21, the end of the Second Mysore War in which of the following treaty? Answer is option number B, Treaty of Mangalore. Question number 22, in which year Bengal Madras was established? Answer is option number A, 1781 AD. Question number 23, when did the Bardoli peasant movement was begin? Answer is option number C, 1928 AD. Question number 24, who led the Santhal uprising? Answer is option number A, Sindhu Kanu. Question number 25, in which year was the first 5-year plan implemented in India? Answer is option number A, 1951 AD. Question number 26, which of the following was associated with the Panchsheel principle? Answer is option number B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 27, who wrote the book Discovery of India? Answer is option number C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 28, which was the first company to come India for trade? Answer is option number A, Portuguese. Question number 29, when did Vasco da Gama reach Calicut port? Answer is option number C, 1498 AD. Question number 30, who was the real founder of Portuguese power in India? Answer is option number C, Albuquerque. Question number 31, when did Dutch East India Company establish its first trading center in India? Answer is option number A, Masulipatam. Question number 32. When did the Second Carnatic War take place? Answer is option number C, 1749 to 1754 AD. Question number 33. The end of the Third Carnatic War in which of the following treaty? Answer is option number B, Treaty of Paris. Question number 34. When was the Battle of Vande Bosch take place? Answer is option number C, 1760 AD. Question number 35. In which of the following year Battle of Plassey fought? Answer is option number B, 1757. Question number 56. Which Nawab of Bengal was defeated by the British in the Battle of Plassey? Answer is option number D, Siraj ul Ud Daul. Question number 37. Who became the Nawab of Bengal after Ali Vardi Khan? Answer is option number A, Siraj ud Dola. Question number uh, Question number 38. With whom did the British form an alliance against Mir Zafar? Answer is option number A, Mir Qasim. Question number 39. When did the Battle of Buxar take place? Answer is option number C, 1764 AD. Question number 40. First Anglo-Afghan War was fought during the period of which Governor General? Answer is option number A, Lord Auckland. Question number 41. In whose period the policy of subsidiary alliance was implemented? Answer is option number A, Lord Wellesley. Question number 42. In which of the following Governor General who associated with doctrine of leprosy? Answer is option number A, Lord Dalhousie. Question number 43. In which of the following year Punjab annexed by the British? Answer is option number D, 1849 AD. Question number 44. Which state is first annexed under the doctrine of leprosy? Raj Hadap Niti. Answer is option number B, Satara. Question number 45. In which year Lord Dalhousie annexed Awadh for the basis of misgovernance? Answer is option number C, 1856 AD. Question number 46. What was the immediate cause of 1857 revolt? Answer is option number D, greased cartridges use. Question number 47. In which of the following place the revolt of 1857 start? Answer is option number A, Meerut. Question number 48. Who was the Governor General of India at the time of 1857 revolt? Answer is option number A, Lord Canning. Question number 49. Who was the Mughal Emperor of India at the time of 1857 revolt? Answer is option number A, Bahadur Shah II. Question number 50. During the 1857 revolt, where Rani Lakshmibai led the revolt? Answer is option number A, Jhansi. Question number 51. In which of the following countries was the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar exiled after the end of revolution of 1857? Answer is option number A, Burma. Question number 52. Who called 1857 revolt as the first war of independence? Answer is option number A, Veer Savarkar. Question number 53. Who was the author of Indian War of Independence 1857? Answer is option number C, V.D. Savarkar. Question number 54. When was the Vernacular Press Act passed? Answer is option number B, 1878 AD. Question number 55. In which of the following Governor General who implemented Vernacular Press Act? Answer is option number B, Lord Lytton. Question number 56. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer is option B, Lord Canning. Question number 57. Who among the British Governor General of India shown great interest in preservation of ancient heritage? Answer is option number C, Lord Curzon. Question number 58. Which of the following Governor General associated with Ilbert Bill? Answer is option number C, Lord Ripon. Question number 59. The first Factory Act in India introduced under the Governor Generalship? Answer is option number B, Lord Ripon. Question number 60. Which of the following Governor General partitioned Bengal in 1905 AD? Answer is option number B, Lord Curzon. Question number 61. Who is known as the father of civil services in India? Answer is option number A, Lord Cornwallis. Question number 62. During whose reign did the permanent settlement come into force? Answer is option number A, Cornwallis. Question number 63. When was Indian National Congress established? Answer is option number C, 1885 AD. Question number 64. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Answer is option number A, A.O. Hume. Question number 65. Who was the president of the first Bombay session of Indian National Congress in 1888-85 AD? Option number A, W.C. Banerjee. Question number 66. Where was the first session of Indian National Congress held in the Bombay in 1885 AD? Answer is option number B, Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College. Question number 67. Who was the first Indian to protest against political reforms? Answer is option number B, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 68. How many representatives attended the first session of the Indian National Congress? Answer is option number B, 72. Question number 69. Who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer is option number B, Sarojini Naidu. Question number 70. Who was the founder of Indian Association? Answer is option number B, S.N. Banerjee. Question number 71. What was the period of Indian national movement from 1885 to 1905 AD called? Answer is option B, moderate phase. Question number 72. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 73. Under whose leadership the anti-partition movement was started in Bengal? Answer is option number D, none of these. Okay, question number 73 का correct answer है it was S.N. Banerjee. Under S.N. Banerjee, the partition movement was started. Question number 74. Under whose leadership the Swadeshi movement was started in Bombay and Pune? Answer is option number A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 75. When the partition of Bengal was revoked by the British government? Answer is option number B, 1911. Question number 76. Which movement started after the partition of Bengal? Answer is option number D, Swadeshi movement. Question number 77. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer is option number A, Annie Besant. Question number 78. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Answer is option number A, Badruddin Tyabji. Question number 79. Who was the founder of Servants of Indian Society? Answer is option number A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 80. Who was the founder of Gadar Party? Answer is option number A, Lala Hardayal. Question number 81. Who was the president of Surat Congress session in 1907 AD? Answer is option number B, Ras Bihari Ghosh. Question number 82. In which year did the Congress and Muslim League Pact take place? Answer is option B, 1916 AD. Question number 83. When did the Indian National Congress split into moderates and extremists? Answer is option B, 1907 AD. Question number 84. Where is Jallianwala Bagh? Answer is option number A, Punjab. Question number 85. When did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Answer is option number A, 1919 AD. Question number 86. When was the non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji? Answer is option number B, 1920 AD. Question number 87. Where did Gandhiji first use Satyagraha in India? Answer is option number A, Champaran. Question number 88. When was the civil disobedience movement started by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is option number C, 1930 AD. Question number 89. When did Gandhi-Irwin Pact take place? Answer is option number C, 1931 AD. Question number 90. In which round table conference did Gandhiji participate? Answer is option number B, second. Question number 91. In which year did the incident of Chori Chora happen? Answer is option number B, 1922 AD. Question number 92. Who was the first Satyagrahi of individual Satyagraha movement? Answer is option number A, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Question number 93. When did Simon Commission come to India? Answer is option B, 1928 AD. Question number 94. India's first newspaper was? Answer is option number B, Bengal Gazette. Question number 95. Who wrote the book The Indian Struggle? Answer is option number C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 96. Who wrote the book India Wins Freedom? Answer is option B, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Question number 97. When was the Quit India movement started by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is option number D, 1942 AD. Question number 98. In which movement did Mahatma Gandhi give up the slogan of Do or Die? Answer is option number D, Quit India movement. Question number 99. When did the Cripps mission come to India? Answer is option number C, 1942 AD. Question number 100. When did the cabinet mission come to India? Answer is option number C, 1946 AD. तो ये था आपका पेपर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया। आई होप ये वीडियो आपकी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहने वाली है। मेक श्योर कि आप इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें, कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करें। अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन या ऑप्शन में आपको डाउट है तो उसे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में डेफिनेटली मेंशन करें। जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे उन्हें हम पिन कर देंगे फॉर एवरीवन। Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and keep supporting ताकि हम इसी तरीके से आपके लिए पेपर्स लाते हैं। Thank you guys.